In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable form in Google Docs. We'll start by opening a blank document in Google Docs. A clean slate keeps things simple, so go ahead and create a new document and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Think of this file as the container for your form. Next, insert a table to structure your form. Go to the Insert menu, choose Table, and select the number of rows and columns you need. A simple setup is a 2-column table. The left column for labels like name or date, and the right column for the areas people will fill in. Add as many rows as you need for your questions or fields. If you need more later, you can always insert additional rows. Now, create your labels and fields. In the first column, type your labels clearly and consistently, such as name, email, phone, or date. In the adjacent cells, leave them blank so users can type directly into those spaces. You can widen the right column by dragging the column border, giving more room for longer responses. Keep your labels concise and aligned to the left for readability, and consider using sentence case or title case consistently for a professional feel. To make the table look like a clean form rather than a grid, format the table to hide its borders. Select the entire table, right-click, and choose Table Properties. Under Border Settings, set the border width to 0 pt to remove all lines. If you prefer, you can also change the border color to white so the table structure disappears against the page. This instantly gives your form a polished, minimalist look while preserving the layout. Finally, add visual lines where you want people to write or type. Select only the cells on the right side where answers go. In the border controls, turn on just the bottom border for those cells. And set a visible color and width something like 1 to 1.5 pt in black or dark gray works well. This creates neat, underlined style fields while the rest of the table remains invisible. Apply the same bottom border to each response cell for a consistent appearance. If you expect longer answers, you can make a row taller to create more writing space while keeping the bottom line visible. That's it. You've opened a blank document, inserted a table, added labels with blank fields, hidden the overall table borders, and created clean fillable lines. Your form is now ready to print or share, and people can type directly into the fields. Thanks for watching.